Oh yeah, look at that. That's so much better. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, Ham Fam. If you're liking this video, drop a like, subscribe, bottom right hand in the corner of the video. But today, obviously, as you can see, got the windshield tinted yesterday, and it's looking a lot darker. I don't like that. But right now, we're actually gonna try and see if the AC system needs to be recharged. So we got that. And then the main purpose of the video is right there. So what you're gonna do is to recharge your AC, you're gonna buy one of those little buckets, and you're gonna pop your lid. And then you're gonna crank your truck on, or your car, whatever it is the case may be, and you're gonna find your low access port right here for the AC. And then you're gonna take this cap off and leave it accessible so you won't lose it. So we put it right there. And then you're gonna grab this, cut the truck on, or the vehicle on, and you're gonna connect this hose right here to this port. And then you're gonna shake the can up a little bit, and then you're gonna wanna turn the AC on the highest setting that you can, and leave the truck on, and make sure the compressor is turned on. Or make sure the compressor is turning on for the AC, because if it's not, it's not gonna work. So then I'll get with you as soon as we start doing that. You're probably not gonna be able to hear me, but I'll just show you what to do. Okay, so it turns out I really didn't need that. I just kind of wanted to check my system in general as well, but I think I'm going to need to clean out the blower motor area. And unfortunately, for I think 06s alone for these trucks, they didn't remove or have a cabin air filter, so you have to kind of make your own and get like a universal air filter. And you have to take the cabin air filter or the blower motor box out from under the dash, and then you have to like drill out your own little hole, replace it. It's probably all gunked up, to be honest. I mean, it's was like 16-year-old truck, whatever, 13-year-old truck, I don't know. But it's an old truck, and you're probably gonna need to do that in general. So I'm gonna have to do that soon because it doesn't blow as much as when it's cold or when it stops. So you're gonna have to do that. But the purpose of today's video is Glassperency. Now, got this from my buddy Reese Tyler. Shout out to Reese. Sent this kit in for me. And what it basically is a ceramic coating for your windshields, or any windows actually. I'm just gonna do it for my windshield today though. Alright, so first step is you're going to get a bucket of water, which I previously filled up right there, and you're going to moisten the scrub pad thoroughly with clean water, open cream cleanser, which is this, and you're going to half dollar size amount on the scrub pad. Wet glass surface with clean water and scrub it in circular motion, covering entire surface. Rinse surface area with clean water to remove all the cleanser. So we're going to put this bucket up on the hood, and we're going to grab this and we're going to clean it, and then after we clean it, we're going to dry it off, and we're going to apply the application. Now, I'm not sure. Let me see how long it takes. Okay. I'm guessing. Okay, you don't really need to let it cure like a regular ceramic coating. You just let it sit on there for about a minute after you wipe the haze off and whatnot. So we're going to do this, and I'm going to get back with you as soon as we start applicating it. Okay, so now that we're up here, we're going to get the pad and make sure it's moist. That's more than moist, but whatever. So then we're going to wet the surface. Just going to pour a little water on there. Doesn't look too bad right now, but it's going to be a lot better after we get done. So, I mean, I like keeping up with the vehicle as well. So we're going to open the cream cleanser. Right, after you open it, pour half dollar size amount on the pad. Should be good, right? Now, I'm just gonna give it one more little dunk. Right, now, get all half the shield on this one, and I'm just gonna work it in. And this is just really getting rid of all the contaminants in the windshield and all the micro dirt, kind of like a clay bar is what we're doing. So we're gonna finish this up, and I'll get with you as soon as we get the whole windshield done. Okay, so once you get done circularly wiping the windshield with the scrub pad, you're going to want to clean this off with the bucket. So we're going to wash it off with the bucket real quick. Okay. And okay, so once you get all the stuff wiped off and whatnot clean, you're going to get some paper towels and a glass cleaner. You're going to clean the surface. And then after you do that, you're going to wipe application A on the dry spray evenly across the glass, making sure the entire glass is covered. Allow the chemical to set for 1 minute. And then repeat procedure 2 with step B. So we're going to clean the glass real quick, and then we're going to apply A, and then repeat it. And I'm going to give you the rundown to see how well this stuff actually holds up and how it looks. Alright, so here it is. There's step A, and we're going to wipe that all over the windshield. Okay, so I just got step A and step B all applied on the windshield, and right now we're going to wait about a minute and let this haze soak in and let it fill everything in. And after that, excuse me, we're going to get a damp microfiber. We're going to wipe it on, get all the haze off, and we're going to polish it out with a dry microfiber. And then after that, we can show you the hydrophobic effectiveness of this windshield, because supposedly this stuff is some good stuff, the bee's knees, Katie's titties, if you know what I'm saying. So hopefully it is. Heard a lot of hype about it. I've actually been wanting to try it for a while. I've had it in my truck for a while, but I wanted to get my windshield tinted to 20 again before I did it, so it doesn't mess up them trying to shape it to the windshield if it did, if it was that hydrophobic. But I'll get with you as soon as we start wiping it off and whatnot, and we're gonna see how this stuff works out, and I can give you all a very good honest opinion on it and tell y'all if y'all need to find a dealer to buy it. If you do need to find a dealer to buy it, I can give you one. He'll be tagged in the description below. So I'll see you when we get there. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. We're gonna get this moist microfiber, and we're gonna buff it all out. Immediately I can already see little tiny bubbles, or little tiny water beads forming. And we're just gonna do half the windshield at a time. Make sure I get every little piece. And here comes the dry one. And I'm gonna repeat the side. I'm gonna repeat this on the other side, and I'm gonna get with you and show you exactly what this stuff can do. Windshield already looks like clearer, to be honest. Has a very good reflection on it. I think that scrubber scrubbed out a lot of imperfections in it. Like, look at that. That's so much better. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back, and we're about to try this hydrophobic test. Alright, so before I even get into this, I'm going to show what the use was for it. So, Glassperency. Product benefits: water will microbead and repel, dramatically reduce night glare, remove ice and snow with minimal effort, insects and dirt when ground will simply wash away. Treated glass will become more resistant to hard water stains. Windshield becomes officially clear, or optically clear, improving overall appearance. Driver's vision will greatly improve during inclement water. Okay, so as I stated before even reading that, the windshield looks so much better compared to anything else right now. And we just filled this water bottle up, and we're going to give us a little test of how hydrophobic this really is. Let me not kill myself on this 5-gallon bucket. So starting from the top. Oh yeah. That is sick. That is awesome. Okay, so works very good, obviously. That's all I really cared about is the hydrophobic benefits it has from it. So driving in the rain, you don't need to use your wipers really, and it's just overall better. So that's a plus. But if you enjoyed this video today, comment down below. Like, I really need you guys to comment down below. Give me some ideas for some content. I'd greatly appreciate it. Let me know what y'all guys want to see. If it's like install videos, reviews, or both, or day-to-day vlogs. I'm gonna keep doing what I like to do, and that's just simple videos like this. And I'm gonna start working on my quality of videos more than my quantity. I know I only post about once a week right now. I mean, like I said, it's really hard to keep pushing out content when you have a job like mine. But I'm gonna start working on more quality videos. Probably bump up the video length to 15 minutes on most of them, just so y'all can get like a weekly thing and start getting into the groove of things. But for sure, October 17th, I'm going on a cruise. I'm gonna do that, and I have a sentimental video. I'm gonna do it with my little brother. He has Down syndrome. I'm gonna do that one soon as well. And that was gonna be kind of more of a official video, or kind of like a more sentimental video, near and dear to my heart. But I really do appreciate every one of you guys subscribing and liking the videos. And I know I don't have a lot of support, but all the support I do have, I really appreciate. Y'all really don't know how much it means to me. I really cannot even say that enough. Drop a like and drop a subscribe in the bottom right hand in the corner. Share this video with one of your friends. And yeah, so if you really do want to get your windshield coated or any window coated, I would really greatly recommend it. It has a lot of benefits, like I said, on the packaging, and I'll link Reese's Instagram down below, and y'all can contact him. I'm pretty sure he's a licensed dealer for this stuff. If not, y'all comment down below. If y'all comment down below enough to where y'll want me to get it, I'll see if I can become a dealer. I'll email them, and I think I might actually do that anyways. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy the video, like I said again, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, Ham Fam. Peace. Lights bleed, young your wifey. I don't got no problems, I'm 119. Yeah, she biting cause she love I'm piping.